the pizza Play-Doh, and on the back it says, and it says you can do that on your iPad, Mimi. Okay?
Which one is that?
That,
Oh, that's the Facebook page for the Play-Doh. Yeah?
yeah.
Okay. So what are we going to do today?
Remember?
What are we going to do today? We're gonna
Open it.
open this. Okay?
So I would open it on myself. To make pizza.
Right, so what have we got? We've got loads of Play-Doh. Can you tell me the colours of this Play-Doh that comes with it?
I don't know what this one is.
That's brown. Brown.
Brown, red, white, green.
And green. And look, we've got loads of cutters. What's this?
That's the pizza box.
That's the pizza box. That's what we're going to put the pizza.
Don't touch it. And first, we just flush it on here.
You make the base, and what are we going to put next?
That.
The cheese? Oh, wow.
It's like
That's a lot of cheese. Yeah, go on then. Press really hard. Press it with 2 hands. 2 hands. And then you can cut it using your little knife. Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. This is looking really yummy. What's that?
I don't know. Let me get this out for a minute.
This one is the... Oh, I don't know.
It's
What's that shape?
a spotted.
Are you done? And then what are we going to do next? We're going to put it in the oven.
Yes.
And then we can eat it.
Yes.
Just pretend, isn't it, Ethan?
Just pretend we.
Let's put it in the oven. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ding! It's ready, Ethan.
And we just ready to put it in the pizza box.
Wow.
Oh, look at it.
And now what are we going to do, Ethan?
Look at
Slice it. Oh, I'd like a slice, please, Ethan. Here's my plate. Oh, the one with the big tomato. I can't wait to taste this. Oh,
It's no vertical.
never mind. Thank you, Ethan. Now I'm going to have a big try. Oh, that was yummy. Thank you, Ethan.